Hello everyone, this is Box to Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. I've already showed you the piece of fabric I was planning to make this shirt of. I asked one of the tailors of my fashion house to do it. I showed you some shirts before. They all were different. My shirt is of a pretty classic design. Slightly dropped shoulders, straight armholes, man-style yoke on the back. Have a look at it. The seams, darts and tucks are edged. What is interesting is that these parts are more loose than usual. Some people don't like it when these parts are wide. I love it. I move a lot, so I want my clothes to be comfortable. You can see that in my shirt the armholes are pretty loose. I not only divided the chest darts in parts, moving some to the armholes, but I also made these parts wider in the pattern. The back is also wider than usual. I want you to understand that you can change the designs and show you however you like. You can make a close-fitting shirt. I prefer loose clothes. I feel more comfortable wearing them. You know that I move a lot. I simply need to be able to move around the table without any problems. I don't recommend making armholes deeper. I made them just a bit wider. This is where they were supposed to be according to the basic pattern. The techniques used for making the shirt are pretty complicated. I've already showed you how to make a stand collar. There is a placket on the center front, and there is also a pocket here. It's up to you whether to make such pockets or not. I recommend making at least one. They make the shirts look very interesting. It's also possible to button up the shirt. Of course, I'm not going to wear it this way, but it's at least possible. I always wear shirts this way. Have a look at the sleeves. There are cuffs at the bottom. The plackets on the sleeves are pretty long. They go to the elbows. This is where they end. The cuffs are also very beautiful. I'm going to wear this shirt with the trench coat. The outfit looks absolutely amazing. I can also wear sleeves this way. It makes the shirt look more casual. When I unfold the sleeves and button them, the shirt looks much more official. I think that it's very beautiful. I really wanted to make such classic shirt. I think that I should have some serious clothes in my wardrobe. I'm almost 60. I hope that this shirt will make me look more serious. What do you think? I'm sure that you'll manage to make such shirts for yourselves. I'm going to shoot a video course to show you how to make such shirts very thoroughly. I'll show you every detail and every technique. As I've already said, you can change the designs however you like. Some people like wide clothes and some close-fitting. If you feel comfortable in tight clothes, wear tight clothes. It doesn't mean that everyone should wear tight clothes. I like it when I can move wearing my clothes without any problems. Notice that the sides are a bit shorter than the front and the back. You can also make tiny pleats here under the yoke. They will also look beautiful. If you really like wide clothes, you can make box pleats or pin tucks. The purpose is to make the shirt wider or to make it look wider than it really is. You can also make longer shirts. What I want you to understand is that shirts with short sleeves don't look that stylish. I know that they are light and comfortable. I also wear such shirts in summer. Anyway, classic shirts are the ones with long sleeves and cuffs. I think that everyone should have a classic long-sleeve shirt. Shirts made of strong cotton of a high quality are very convenient. Having such shirts, you would always have something stylish to wear. You can wear it to work, for a walk, or even for some special occasion. Have a look at my necklace. I bought it in Paris. I bought it specifically for this fabric. I can also wear this shirt with different necklaces. Or I can wear it with a short one here. This shirt looks good with different trousers, skirts, dresses, jackets, and so on. I can wear it almost with anything I want. It looks amazing with the trench coat. Do not forget about vests. As I've already said, I love them. You can make short or long vests. They all look amazing. I want us to be different and beautiful every day. Please, don't be lazy. Ladies, we need to look good no matter what happens. I know that it's not easy. You need to find some strength within yourself. It's easy to say that everything is bad, so you don't need to look good. You do. The worse the situation around you is, the better you need to look. Do not forget that when you look good, you also feel good. It makes me depressed to look at people on the streets. Let's sew different shirts for ourselves. You can make shirts of different colors. I like bright ones. These are my favorite colors. Classic designs require classic colors. I don't wear shirts with too bright prints, but I know that some people do like them. It's absolutely okay. You can wear them with skirts or shorts, combine shorts with high heels, use your imagination. Be different and beautiful every day. That's all for today. My name is Paukšte Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press a like and the bell buttons. Thank you. Goodbye.